What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lorna Marie, and today for you I have a exciting video. I feel like this is super unique too. I don't feel like anybody's come up with this, but your girl, they call me the kit queen here because I like to make kits. And today I came up with a kit for you guys. This is my party making kit. So this kit is something, I have 4 kids. I'm on the road, so like I try to do the best I can to make birthdays really exciting and happy, even though I live in a very small space. And I feel like I can do that because number 1, I plan, and number 2, I have a kit that makes my life so much easier. And that's what I'm sharing in this video with you guys today. So it'll be all of my party decorating items that I always like to have, like ready to go when there's a birthday. You know what I mean? There's other little things in there that I'll be sharing, but we'll save that to the end. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me on Instagram. I do a more play-by-play links. You can communicate with me there a lot easier, so definitely head over to my Instagram and follow me there. I also have a travel page. It's called Travel Vibe Chasers. We have an Instagram and we have a YouTube channel that we're getting ready to start posting on again, so stay tuned for that. All of the links for this video will be in a blog post down below. And without further ado, if you guys want to see what's inside my party decor kit, then just keep watching. Okay, so here is the kit, you guys. This is my party kit. This has almost everything you will need in it to decorate for a party. This doesn't necessarily have to do with the party itself. This is just my decorating kit. I think it's just so nice to have everything in one container, and I just love this system. This container, I believe it's by Art Band. Maybe it's an off-brand, but I've been using these containers for years. And they're just so helpful. I love that they're layered, but they're just nice and thick and sturdy. You can stack them. There's actually a shelf. You can buy multiple different sizes and slide them all in. It's so good. I always get questions on how do you do it in the RV, and I'm going to actually show you guys a little bit of footage later on in the video on what that looks like, so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like to have a birthday party inside the RV. So first thing I wanted to mention is I have a machine that blows balloons up. I love it. I will put it up here on the screen. It is so helpful. If you guys don't have this, I highly suggest if you have kids or if you throw a lot of parties, it's just the best. So I would say that machine and this kit go hand in hand together. All right, so most of the things in here are either from Amazon or from the Dollar Tree. I love the Dollar Tree for party supplies. If you guys if you have not checked out the Dollar Tree for party stuff, definitely do that. All right, so we're gonna open up this bad boy. And I just took these little, I'm gonna show them to you, I'm gonna pull them out. I just took little pieces of cardboard from something, because obviously they already have little cuts in them, and then I just folded it in half just to create a little divider here. And then I did one at the top. I just think it's nice so it's not all like mixing around together. It makes it so much easier. So on the top left-hand corner, I'm gonna just pull everything out so you guys can see what I've got going on here. I have a bunch of balloons. These are all from the Dollar Tree. So if you want your child to take a picture with a number or for a grade they're in elementary school, I think the Dollar Tree is the best place to find them. They're a really good size too. 14 inches, so yeah, super good size. Then I always buy these from the Dollar Tree. They are birthday sashes. We have birthday princess, and then I have black ones too, because even if there's men there, I think it's funny to like make them wear a sash. I put one on my husband. They love it though. It's your birthday. You want people celebrating you. And then we have a little birthday banner I stick in there. I will also try to find similar things you can purchase online, maybe from Amazon, since a lot of this stuff is going to be from the Dollar Tree. Okay, I do have these. They were just actually go underneath this guy right here. You can use these to label plates, whatever you want to use these for, but I also get these from the Dollar Tree. So next up on the left there, I have this. This is a cool mini hot glue gun. This is for when you do balloon arches. You can actually glue your balloons together if you need to add a couple things or whatever. This is such a handy tool to have. I love having this, so have that there. Next up on this side, we have some more balloons and different things, but we have happy birthday balloons. They always have these. You have to buy the happy and the birthday separately, but they also have gold. All Dollar Tree. Just some little decorations and banners. I like having a few of these on me. I definitely like getting like black and white and neutral colors. This was left over from another party. And then I found these recently. This would be great if your child wants to make a poster or a birthday card for somebody. I thought these would be really good to have. or if I need to decorate something, you could even lay it on a cake if you want to, cut it out and put it on a cake as a cake topper. There's so many things you can do. I love it because it's like art, you know. Oh, here's some gold ones. So we have a gold happy birthday sign here. And then we also have a happy birthday cake topper, which is nice to have. And then whenever I see any like unique balloons or whatever, because it doesn't have to be for a birthday, if it's a party or you're celebrating someone, it's just nice to have a bunch of different things. And then there's just this guy. This was just left over from another party. I just stuck it in there. But if I find other things I like better, whatever doesn't fit in here, I don't keep it. So that's kind of for me and my space. If you have more space, maybe you can have 2 of these, but 1 is perfect, is a perfect amount for me. So that's all in there. Then I have these 2 bags. Zipper pouches are from Amazon, and the things inside are also from Amazon. But we have little clips right here. These are for the ceiling. So if you want to hang like balloons or different decorations, love these. They're by command. I have little extra command strips and different things. And I believe they come with these ones. These are also sticky back ones, but I just stick them all in here. And then I also have like a few of these from like the Dollar Tree. Let's go right there. But I use these every single party, so they're so helpful. And then I also have these tiny little hooks. You can also use these for your balloon arches or whatever else you want. Oh, here we go. Here's all the little sticky backs. Those were for these right here. But there's a set from Amazon that comes with all of these, which is really nice. So then we're gonna go underneath here. And I just love, let's move this to the side over here. Tip it more a little bit so you guys can see. But it's just so organized and it makes everything so easy to find. Okay, on this side, you can see all of these colored pouches, like the ones I just showed you, but they all have different colors, and I did it in order of the rainbow, so I can easily find things. But these are all of my balloons. So let's open up the purple one, purple balloons, whatever color. And usually when I'm doing a party, I'll have a bunch of leftover and I can just stick them in here, but I don't need any more purples. Once it's full, I will definitely not purchase any more, but all of the colors are in here. In this last black one, I have silver and white, just because I don't have a white one, but you know, just, you can organize it however you want, but I just love the fact that I can see all the colors and grab them really easily when I'm making a balloon arch. I do make a lot of balloon arches. One of the things I really love to make for the kids. I just have a few specialty candles here. I probably could put these in a Ziploc bag now. We have like different little sparklers and candles. And then I always grab these. I feel like these are the best. I just love the colors that they come in. And there's more of like pastel, and then you have more of like the darker colors. But I stock up until my case is full. And then if I use one, I'll repurchase another one just because I like them so much. I do birthday cake pancakes. I will insert a little clip here, but that's kind of our family tradition. Every morning they wake up, it's all decorated. They have birthday cake pancakes and all of their presents. And then through the rest of the day, we kind of just go do fun things, do what they like. We'll go to a movie or keep it really simple. But the morning is pretty much how we spend with our family members. But I love putting these in pancakes. I think it looks super cute, and they are guaranteed to blow candles out for their birthday if you do it in the morning. All right, then I have this little cup here. It's just one of those ones from the Dollar Tree, and I stuck just a couple little extra candles. Sometimes you only need one candle, and I just stuck these all in here on the side. Then let's go back here. So these are other little things that I got from the Dollar Tree. You can also stick these in cakes or cupcakes or whatever. And I love that these are just so neutral in color. You can do anything with them. And then I bought these from Amazon. You can stick these in cakes. You can use these as bag ties. I mean, there's so many things you can do with these, but I just like having different little tools and things to make somebody's birthday special. You can stick that in there. All right, and then in the back here, I always grab these from the Dollar Tree. They are birthday. Let's see if I can zoom in on these. They say happy birthday. So whenever I have a friend or someone that I'm around and it's their birthday, I literally put all the Mardi Gras beads on them, and everybody gets Mardi Gras beads on their birthday. I just think it's such a simple, easy way. Put a sash on them, put some beads, and it just makes people feel special on their birthday. Then back here, I just have like a few little streamer things. You can use these for whatever you want. I just stuck a few back here, but these items are pretty important to me. Now this, let's see, I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see it. This is what makes balloon arches so much easier. I will link this. Oh, everything is gonna be linked in a blog post down below, you guys. That's how you find all of my products. that I use in these videos. There we go. So if you can see, there's one hole. The ones from Dollar Tree have 2 holes and the balloons kind of slide out, but this is how you do easy balloon arches. Definitely pick some of these up if you're a beginner balloon archer. They make your life so much easier. So I always have a bunch of these on me. So they're literally just all stacked up right here. And then these are glue dots that you can use these for your balloon arches or hanging simple things up. And I just stick those all there and it just makes life so much easier. I'm gonna show you guys some examples of the parties and how I actually put this kit into use, which is so much fun. So here are some clips of how I take this kit and I put it to use. I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 birthdays, the last 4 birthdays each one of my kids had. And this is Stranger Things birthday theme for my daughter here. We had some Demogorgon pudding cups, Demogorgon, I can't even say the word, but I really love the way that it turned out. I have all the little details, even the little lights strung over. I used a bunch of stuff out of the kit from here, and I just basically study on Pinterest and then I put it together. I wish I would have put that dessert tray in front of those pizza boxes, but that's okay. You can always get better as you go on. And then I did a simple balloon arch, and I started doing them a little bit more elaborate after this, which I'm kind of getting used to doing them now, so it's a lot easier. But we did this one for my son Nakoa. This was his Ninja Turtle party. I bought a bunch of this stuff from Amazon. I just like to have a couple wow factors. Like his wow factors were these boxes, and then, you know, I add like different little desserts. I get things from Amazon and stick them in stuff, a bunch of little candy and presents, but it's pretty much a theme here. I don't know if you guys can notice what you're seeing here, but I have a formula. The formula is wow pieces, food that they love, and they get to pick out a theme. And that's what I do. Make sure I have a centerpiece and a backdrop and a balloon arch. Bam, I'm done. They always open presents and do everything in the morning, and they do their birthday cake pancakes in the morning, and then we kind of just play it by ear. Sometimes we'll be near Disney World or whatever. We'll go to the park. If not, we'll just make plans to go to a skate park or whatever it may be. But the kids love their birthday. They just talk about it all the time. They still, like, as I'm making this video, like, oh my gosh, my birthday. My oldest son wanted a like Japan theme. He didn't want to go like full anime theme, so he went for a Japan theme, which I think it turned out so good. And then my daughter, of course, did a Frozen theme. I, of course, had so much fun putting this one together. But as you can see, like on the ceiling, guys, all those little tools and things that I use to put things together. This is just such a helpful kit. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Talk to you soon. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my party decor kit. I love making kits like this, especially when they're unique and I've never seen anyone do this, and they're useful. It is such a useful kit to have. I use it every single birthday. I have 5 birthdays that I have to plan all year long, and it's the best. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe, hit that little bell. Also, don't forget, all the links will be down below in one blog post. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. That means you watched my video all the way through, and it really benefits my channel. Leave me some type of party emoji. Let me get some like celebration emoji, balloons, whatever it is, and let me know that you made it here. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and until next time, I'm your girl, Lorna Marie. Bye.